Here's how to clear the Nvidia shader cache the right way that actually works. Right-click your desktop, select Show More Options, then open Nvidia Control Panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings and scroll down to Shader Cache Size. Set it to Disabled and click Apply. Restart your PC. Skipping the restart means the cache files stay locked and cannot be deleted. After rebooting, press Windows R, type %localappdata% and press Enter. Find the Nvidia folder and open it. Open GL Cache, select everything inside and delete it all. Then click App Data in the address bar. Open Local Low, find the Nvidia folder and open DX Cache. Delete anything inside if files are present. Now search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu. Select your C drive and click OK. Find DX Shader Cache in the list, check the box and click OK, then delete files. Finally, go back to Nvidia Control Panel, return to Shader Cache Size and set it back to Driver Default. Click Apply. This step is important. Leaving it disabled prevents new shaders from being built, which causes stuttering in games. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.